Okay, beta ji, very quickly, let's talk about heating under reflux. So, what is heating under reflux? You know, primary alcohol in the presence of oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7 acidified potassium dichromate converted into aldehyde, and same primary alcohol in the presence of oxidizing agent K2Cr2O7 H plus converted into carboxylic acid, if we use a condition which is called heating under reflux. So first of all, let me explain you what is heating under reflux, right? See this diagram show the heating under reflux. In this apparatus, the product of oxidation stay in the reaction mixture, because if they do not boil off, they condense into the vertical condenser, return to the heating flask. So you know, we use this heating under reflux apparatus. This side, this vertical condenser, this side is water inlet and this side is water outlet, and this way to make sure that all vapors which boils off condense back into a container in order to complete the reaction in a reaction vessel. So this is all about heating under reflux. Now coming about, this whole technique is called heating under reflux. Now next thing, but when we talk about aldehyde or when we talk about this conversion, that primary alcohols converted into aldehyde, we will not use this technique of heating under reflux. So what we will use? So let me share a picture with you. Okay, see, this is the apparatus which we use for making aldehyde from primary alcohol. You know, in this case, we do not take primary alcohol in a reaction vessel. In a reaction vessel, we have oxidizing agent which is K2Cr2O7 acidified, and we add alcohol from this container, from this flask, and in this apparatus oxidizing agent is heated, only oxidizing agent is heated, and the alcohol is slowly added to the oxidizing agent. When the aldehyde is formed, it immediately distilled off, so it has much lower boiling temperature than alcohol used to make it. So and is collected in the receiver. So you can see, if we want to prepare aldehyde from primary alcohol, we need to use this whole apparatus. We do not mix directly alcohol and oxidizing agent in a container. We do not heat them directly in a container. Instead, we use oxidizing agent in a flask and we add alcohol from the top, and as soon as they react together, we immediately distill aldehyde, right? I hope you understand the difference. If we use heating under reflux with primary alcohol, what happens? They are converted into carboxylic acid. But if we immediately distill the product, we get a aldehyde. And one more thing, alcohol is not taken in directly with oxidizing agent in a flask and it is not directly heated. Instead, only oxidizing agent is heated in a flask and alcohol is added from the top. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.